This is a story that I read in a book called Every Day is Friday, and it's about a couple who moves into a new neighborhood. And one morning while they were having breakfast, the wife looks out the window and notices that the neighbor is hanging washed clothes on a line to dry in the backyard. And she noticed that the clothes was dirty and turns to her husband and says, "I don't think the neighbor knows how to wash. Her clothes isn't clean. I wonder if she's even using detergent." Day after day, she would have the same comment. This neighbor doesn't know how to wash. And this went on for weeks. Till one day she's sitting and notices that the washed clothes is clean and as bright as it could be. So she gets all surprised, calls the husband and says, "You're not gonna believe it. Finally, the neighbor learned how to wash. I wonder what happened." And the husband smiles and says to her, "Honey, I got up early this morning and I cleaned our window." How dirty your neighbor's clothes appears depends on how clean your window is. And if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome to Transforming Your Life Through Storytelling. I hope that you will subscribe to the channel and help me grow. Today's story is important because we are all guilty of judging others based on our dirty window. And we tend to impose our views and beliefs on others, expecting them to conform to our own ways, and anything that isn't that we judge. I was guilty of that just the other day because I was looking at a situation and a person through my dirty window, as the story goes, and I had to work really hard at letting that judgment go. There's a powerful saying that says, "Don't judge me because I sin differently than you." Anytime we use words like should and could, we are in judgment. The next time you are using those words, catch yourself in the middle to create awareness, because there is no right or wrong, just different. Who is to say that our way is the only way or the right way? So your assignment for this week is not to judge and to understand that your way is just one possibility in many. If you have nothing good to say about someone, then say nothing. You can choose to look out the window and see the stars or see the mud. You can walk into your home and fixate on all those things that are not right and miss all the wonderful things that you have in your home. And it's the same with our partners. We can walk around always complaining about everything they do wrong, everything that they need to fix, or we can choose to look at all the positives that they bring to our lives. It's all a matter of what you choose to look at. So you can go through life looking for the potholes and the dirt in things and people, or you can choose to become aware of your judgment and choose instead to clean your window. Share this video with your friends and family, and remember, before you're going to make a judgment on someone else, make sure first that your window is clean. Stay safe, stay grateful, and I will see you on the next episode of Transforming Your Life Through Storytelling.